Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Bryce Kirkpatrick. I'm Turf Operations Manager here at Realtor Solutions. And I kind of want to just touch base back on a little special that we ran right before Christmas. We considered it a Christmas gift. And what that was basically an offer we're giving out there to all new clients that are looking for a weed control program. That if you was to sign up for a program under us 7 round, you get 20% off your first application of the year, which would be round one of the program, which is going on now. And so we got until January 31st. So we want to kind of reach out to y'all, the ones that may have seen this video before, or maybe the first time you're seeing this. Want to let you know you still have some time to give us a call. Let us give you a quote. And if you sign up by the 31st of January, we'll be glad to give you that 20% off your first application. So this is something you're in the market for, a weed control program. Even if it's something outside of a weed control program, we do offer other services: fire ant treatments, aeration, fungicide applications, whether they're preventative or curative applications. So if you ever got anything you need for us to help you out in your yard, please give us a call. We're glad to come out, take a look at it with you, and see if we can help you out. And always, thank you.